Hi everyone, my name's Ashton and welcome to Ashton's EDC. Today I just want to show you some of the things that I carry in my pockets every day and my recently set up micro EDC pouch that I take with me everywhere. So to start, here's the things that I carry with me in my pocket. Today I've been carrying my Civivi brazen, flipper, and thumb stud knife. Has pretty good action. It has a D2 blade, Tanto style, and a black coated blade. I also have these JBL wireless earbuds, Field Notes notebook, and the Alpaca Zip Pouch Pro, which I'll go into some more detail here right away. So in my Alpaca Zip Pouch Pro, it has two sides. In this side it has these two pockets. In the first one I have this Zebra telescoping pen, which of course goes with my field notes, but I actually have a few other pens in here because one thing you might learn about me is I really enjoy pens. And that just goes right in here. Beside that, I have a little flashlight. This is the Woobin E01. Just a AAA flashlight. Really nice and simple and compact. Fits in this pocket well. On the other side, attached to the zipper pull, I have a Glow Rhino Tritium keychain, which glows in the dark. Doesn't have to be charged or anything like that, so that's really nice. And then in this front pouch, or this front pocket, I have a few things. First, I have this super mini titanium bolt action pen. This has a bolt there. Pretty small, but it still writes quite smooth. Also in this pouch, I have the Uncle Bill sliver grippers. And this little sheath here. Just some really nice fine tweezers. Can be really helpful and useful for lots of different things. And last, in this pocket, I have this penny that is stamped Wild, which I got from the Zack in the Wild channel Patreon. In my wallet, in the main pocket here, of course I do have some wallet related things, debit card, ID, etc. But I do also keep a Fisher Bullet Space Pen in here. So yeah, I carry lots of pens with me, but I enjoy using them all. And then in my wallet, kind of one standout thing I just wanted to show is this glow card. So this is a glow-in-the-dark credit card, basically. You just have to charge it. You can leave it like out in the sunlight or charge it with the flashlight, and then it will glow in the dark. And it glows for quite a while. So that's everything in the Alpaca Zip Pouch Pro. I also forgot to mention that I always wear a watch. So today I've got this G-Shock, and this is the G7900 G-Shock watch from Casio. Alright, now I'll dive in to this. I just put this together in the past couple of days, and I'm calling this my micro EDC Essentials. So let's take a look. So for the pouch, I'm just using this Husky pouch. I bought a 3-pack of different sizes. This is a medium size. I just got it from Home Depot. So opening it up, at the very top here, I've just got a little pack of Band-Aids. Can be useful if you cut yourself or scrape your leg or someone else needs one. Then I've got this little I'm not sure if it's aluminum or what, but this little metal capsule where I just keep some of my prescription medications, some Advil and some Tylenol in here. Alright, moving on. I've got some chapstick. I have this lever gear cable kit. This has the USB to USB-C, as well as a micro USB adapter. And then on the inside, I have just an SD card in here. And that also has one of these SIM removal tools. Alright, let's see what else we've got in here. I've got this little Nightcore. This is called the Tiny 2 or Teeny 2 flashlight. It's a really nice flashlight. It has this LCD screen, which is really cool. It tells you the amount of lumens, the runtime, and also the battery on there. Alright, let's see. I've also here got the Leatherman Squirt PS4. You might have seen this before, but I'll just take a look at it quickly. So it's got a little pair of spring-loaded pliers here on the outside. It's got a pair of scissors, a little, I think this is supposed to be a 2D Phillips screwdriver, and, whoops, bottle opener and flathead screwdriver. Then on the other side, it's got a knife and, whoops, pretty good little file here too. So there's that, the Leatherman Squirt PS4. Alright, a few more things in here. Here I've got the Right in the Rain Pocket pen. Just a really cool waterproof pen, pretty compact. Then you pop it out, stick it in here, and it turns into a full-size pen. Alright, then on the inside I have this little pouch. This is supposed to be a wallet, but in here I just have a few little things. So let's take a look. Here I've just got a little packet of Gorilla Tape, like duct tape. Really useful. It can be used for all sorts of different things. And then here I've got about 10 feet of this orange microcord, as well as a pretty decent amount of this copper snare wire, which can be used for different things and repairs and that sort of thing. And I have a little ranger band around it as well. Alright. And here I've got, oops, so a glue stick that's just been cut in half, which I'll show you in a second how this will be used. And I have another one of these small ranger bands. And then in the bottom of this little pouch, I have just a Bic lighter, which can obviously be used with this glue stick. Obviously, heat the end up, and it can be used to patch a couple different things up, that kind of thing. Alright, coming to the end of this pouch, I've also got this Spyderco Ladybug with a little lanyard that I added onto it. Really nice little, keychain locking knife. Then to go along with that lever gear cable kit, I've just got a power bank. This is from Helix. I think I got this from Best Buy. It's a 10,000 milliamp power bank. So it can charge my phone and my earbuds quite a few times. And then lastly, I've just got some miscellaneous pieces of paper from Right in the Rain notebooks. Something I want to do, which I have not done yet, but using one of these, I'll just write some emergency contact and important information on here, so that in case my phone were to die, in case this runs out of battery, then at least I have some phone numbers on here in case I need to call anyone. And then that is everything in this pouch. So for the past little while, I've been carrying this pouch, in this little sling bag from Mountain Equipment Co-op, and a few other things, a pack of Kleenex, my keys, And then sometimes I'll just throw in a water bottle in here as well. So that's everything for today's EDC and my micro EDC pocket pouch. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. This is my first YouTube video that that I'll make and release, so hopefully there'll be more to come. Thanks very much.